Good evening, teacher. My name is Todd. I'm from Pusat Province. This is my exercise in English 099 class, lesson 1. What is philosophy? For me, I choose the second paragraph to read. Origins of philosophy. The word philosophy comes from the Greek word for love of wisdom. The term was coined by Socrates, a humble sculptor who lived in ancient Athens. Athens was the world's first democracy. It has a government run by the people. This is the 12 words. Deep thinking, deep thinking, encourage, encourage, wisdom, wisdom, trial, trial, Socrates, Socrates, term, term, coined, coined, self-destruction, self-destructions, borrow, borrow, haters, haters,